Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make apple tartlets. It's just a miniature apple pie. And if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To a bowl, you want to add 125 grams of cubed butter. Add 170 grams of sugar and mix until it's well combined. Add a single egg and mix until the mixture has come together. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 300 grams of cake flour and mix until it's well combined. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This mixture will look quite dry, but just press it out onto some cling wrap and press it into shape, and it should stick together after a few presses. Once the mixture has come together, refrigerate for half an hour. To a bowl, you want to add 765 grams of unsweetened pie apples. To the unsweetened pie apples, you want to add half a cup of raisins. To that, you want to add a quarter cup of sugar, just sprinkled on top. Next, you want to add a tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of ground cloves, and a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and mix until it's well combined. Leave in the fridge for 10 minutes. Once your dough has chilled for 30 minutes, remove it from the fridge and cut a third of the dough and place it back into the fridge for a further 10 minutes. You want to have about a golf ball size of dough and press it into the individual cupcake cases. You want to dock your pastry. What that means is that you want to take a fork and just puncture small holes at the bottom of the pie crust. You want to add about a tablespoon of the filling mixture into each pie crust. Form a ball with the remaining chilled dough and grate over top the pie filling. Place into the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes until golden brown.